Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa haul. So recently there was a huge sale going on Nykaa. It was called as Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. So I grabbed my hands on many products which I really needed from since a long while. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I received my parcel in this huge package. So let me show you what I got. So first of all, I got this huge packet of Plum fragrance free Hello Aloe Just Gel. So this is basically an aloe vera gel from Plum, and Plum is a very nice vegan cruelty free brand. It does not contain any nasty elements like paraben and SLS. So this is a very nice product. So I grabbed my hands on these. Then I got this Kama Ayurveda rose water. So this is 50 ml, and also I got a small mini Kama Ayurveda rose water of, I think it is 10 ml free with this. So these two are the combo. I just ran out of my cotton pad, so I grabbed this tulip cotton pad. Most of the things that I'm showing in this video were on a great sale. So the next product is that this is a LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade orange. And actually this is generally used to hide all the dark spots and under eye dark circles underneath your concealer or your foundation. So I am yet to use all this product, so let me know if you also want a review of these products as well. I'll be very happy to share it with you all. So the next product is this Autumn Spice and Nika K eyeshadow palette. So this is a beautiful palette with many warm tones shades. So we also get shimmery shades and also matte shades, and these are quite decently pigmented. I only got it for around 399 rupees. It was on a nice discount, but it actually retails for around 699 rupees. So we get like 9 eyeshadows, and they are quite nicely pigmented. If I show you, so these are the shades. Then I also got one more palette which is in the shade Sugar Plum. So these are the colors. They are very beautiful plum tone colors. It was also priced at rupees 399 on sale, but it is 699 only. And these are also very beautiful, nice tones, and you can use it for daily simple makeups as well. So these are also a great combination of shimmer shades and as well as matte shades. The next item which I got is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. So this is what it looks like, and it is in the shade 05, and I think it will pretty much match my skin tone. We'll see. I'll let you know once I use all of these products how I felt about this haul, because most of the product that I have grabbed on this sale are pretty much new to me. So I have tried to extend my makeup collection on this haul, on this sale. So also on the Nika K, I think I got a free product. This is a eyeliner, brown eyeliner from Nika K, and also I get a sharpener with it, and also this is a pencil eyeliner. So yeah, it's good. The next product which I got is this Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Cinco de Mayo, and it is a beautiful red color. I cannot get enough of the red lipsticks. So this is what the lipstick looks like from the outside. It is quite color coded, and this comes in a magnetic packaging. So the cover is magnetic, and this is what the lipstick looks like. It's a beautiful red shade, and it will suit most of the Indian skin tone. I pretty much like the color. The next product is I got two brushes from PAC. One is an eyeshadow brush, and one is a foundation brush. I like the brushes of PAC. These are of really great quality. I haven't opened it yet. So this is what the two brushes looks like. This is a very thin eyeshadow brush. This can be used for blending and also putting eyeshadow in smaller corners of your eyes. So this is the PAC 201 brush. So the next brush is PAC 231 brush. It is a very thick foundation blending brush, and the bristles are really soft, and I'm pretty sure this is going to blend your foundation easily without much hassle. So I really like the PAC brushes. So I always wait for the sales to grab the PAC brushes because they are really of very nice quality, and beginners can also use these brushes to blend their foundation or eyeshadow. They have a very huge range of brushes. So the next product that I can see is my sunscreen lotion. So I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in with SPF 50 plus PA triple plus. So this is my daily sunscreen. So I just placed an order to restock because this was also on a very nice sale. And the next thing that I bought was this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, there are so many shades in this, and we have nude shades, reds, browns, plums, you name it and you get it. So, and this was on a very affordable rate. Its actual price is 499 rupees, but I got it at rupees 399, and 399 for 12 lip liners, and they are quite decent. Like you get this much amount of product. I'm not sure what is the amount of product that you get for a single lip liner. I think they have mentioned it. I'm not sure. Yes, yeah, this is of 1.8 grams of product that you get in a single lip liner, and for 399 rupees for 12 lip liner is a great price that you get, and they are quite very nicely pigmented. I love it. So you see, this is the lip liner that I have applied. Also these are color coded, and also they are named like the shade of this shade is called as dark chocolate, and many more shade. Let me know if you want a full review on this product. I'll be very happy to share the review of all this product that I got. The last product that I received, actually it was free, that is this very beautiful Nykaa pouch, and it has a autograph of Janhvi Kapoor on it, and if you shop products for a price of about 5,000 rupees, then you get a free pouch from Nykaa, which is, and it is a very beautiful pouch with very nice quality. It is also lined inside. You can use it to keep your makeups and toiletries, etc. So these are all the products, guys, that I got from the Nykaa sale. So about Nykaa, if you don't know, then Nykaa is a very nice website. It is a beauty website. So they sell amazing international and our own makeup and skincare, beauty. They have also launched fashion and lifestyle as well. So you can check them out. This video is not at all sponsored. This is my own experience from the sale, from the purchase, because I am a makeup junkie. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Please hit on the like button, press on the bell icon, so that you can never miss any notification. Whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. And also share it with your friends and family. Also comment down below what you like from these products, and if you want a review on any of the products, I'll be very happy to share the review with you guys. So guys, I'll see you next time. So till then, take care. Bye.